In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix destination not working Google Ads. If your ads are disapproved or limited because the landing page can't be reached, loads incorrectly, or triggers a policy violation. This walkthrough will show you where to find the exact cause and how to interpret what Google is seeing. Start by opening your Google Ads account. Make sure you're in the correct account where the issue appears, and note which campaign or ad group the problem is tied to. Having that context handy will make the next screens easier to navigate and understand. Next, go to the Tools and Settings menu. You'll find it at the top of the interface, represented by a wrench icon. This menu is your hub for diagnostics, policy reviews, and account-level settings, and it's the fastest path to the information Google uses to judge your landing pages. From there, open Troubleshooting. This section collects active issues affecting delivery, so it's a great first stop for the destination not working problem. Here you'll typically see alerts with plain language descriptions, such as landing pages that can't be crawled, slow or failing loads, too many redirects, or URLs that don't match the final destination. Use the Details panel to see which ads, assets, or landing pages are affected and whether the problem is widespread or limited to a single URL. As you read these messages, pay attention to patterns. For example, pages that work on desktop but fail on mobile, or URLs that work without HTTPS but fail when secure. Those patterns often point to configuration issues like SSL misconfiguration, redirect loops, or device-specific blocks. Then move into Policy Manager. This is where Google lists policy-related reasons for the destination issue, along with examples and references to the relevant rules. Look for items like site unavailable, destination mismatch, malicious or unwanted software, misleading content, or unsupported language or country restrictions. The Policy Manager will often include timestamps, the number of impacted ads, and links to learn more about each policy, so you can understand exactly what needs to change on the page. As you review, keep an eye on the landing page's response code, secure connection, and redirect behavior, and make sure the final URL in your ad truly matches where users end up. If you use tracking parameters or third-party redirectors, ensure they resolve quickly and consistently on both mobile and desktop. Once you've identified the cause, make the necessary changes on your website or ad settings, then return to these same areas to verify the issue has cleared. By using troubleshooting to locate the symptoms and Policy Manager to confirm the rules involved, you'll resolve destination problems faster and keep your campaigns running smoothly.